Piyush Tiwari, you can start. See, bete, once again, I'm doing the same question so that you. If a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter, we have been given a parabolic reflector. This is 20 centimeter in diameter. This length is 20 centimeter and it is 5 centimeter deep. So if it is 20 for whole, then 10 will be up and 10 will be down. So this point will be having coordinates as 5, 10. And such parabola is having equation y square equals to 4ax. So y is 10. 10 square is equals to 4 into a into x is 5. So we are getting a as 5. Equation of the parabola will be, we need to calculate the equation of the parabola. Sorry, equation, okay, I'm writing y square is equals to 4 into a is 5 into x. But we need to find the focus. Focus will be at this point and its coordinate will be 5, 0. We know that focus is A0. So coordinates of the focus will be A. So the coordinates of focus are 5, 0. Now we are going for question number 2. Keep in mind, question is very important. An arch is in the form of parabola with its axis vertical. An arch is in the form of parabola with its vertex vertical, axis vertical, sorry. See, this is the arch. An arch is in the form of parabola with its axis vertical. Arch is 10 meter high. This arch is 10 meter high and 5 meters wide at the base. It is 5 meter. Diagram is not as proper as is expected. So first of all, we are going to calculate its equation of this arch or parabola. So this parabola will be x square equals to minus 4ay. X square equals to minus 4ay. Now coordinates of any one point we are calculating. Okay, we are calculating the coordinates of this point. So this point will be having coordinate minus 5 by 2. Total is 5, so half will be 5 by 2 and deep minus 10. So this point lies on the parabola. Let us put these values. X will be minus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 4 into a into y. Y is minus 10. So it will be 25 by 4 equals to 40a. So the value of a is coming 25 upon 160. I'm not simplifying it. So we have got equation of this parabola is x square equals to minus 4 into a is 25 by 160 y. I have put the value of a into the equation. We have got the final equation of the parabola. Now our task is, see the next part carefully. How wide is it? How wide is it? 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola. How wide is it? From 2 meter from the vertex of parabola. Now what we are supposed to do, we are going 2 meter down. How wide is this? This one is 2. Means on y-axis we are moving 2 units. So its width we need to calculate. First of all, it will be coming half. Then we will double it. So the value of y is -2. This point will be getting coordinates. I'm giving name it as x only. So x -2. Let us put x will be x only equals to minus 25 upon 40 into the value of y is -2. So it will become x square equals to 25 upon 20. This is the value of x square. X will be coming equals to under root 25 by 20. This is the value of x. We are supposed to calculate overall width. So overall width will be double. It will be just double of the original. So just double of original will be under root 5 by 2. Now 2x will be the width. So 2x will be 2 under root 5 by 2. That is 5 units, or the value of will be doing something. That will be the width of the parabola at this point. At 2 centimeters away from the origin, the width of the parabola will be under root 5 units or meter. Unit is given, so it will be this much meter. So like this way, we'll be able to calculate this question. This is really a one question. Next question is more this, that is really a worth question. This I'm going to explain you, but you are supposed to solve it. The cable of a uniformly loaded suspension bridge. There is a suspension bridge on mountains. Normally, we used to make, or the road departments, they used to make the bridges. That bridges are mainly suspension bridge. So suspension bridges are somewhat like this. See, on the two ends, they used to make two poles, and this is the cable of that uniformly loaded bridge. This is the path runway on which we used to move. Now this is connected with the cables. These are the cables. One side I have made, it is on both the sides. I am making on the one side only. Road is 100-meter long. This is 100 meters long, and vertical wires are, the longest wire is 30-meter and the shortest is 6-meter. Longest wire is 30-meter and shortest is 6-meter. So parabola normally is from this point. The vertex of the parabola is this. So now we are thinking about the situation. This is supposed as the vertex of the parabola. We used to count this. So this length will be 24 and total is 100. So this much will be 50. Coordinates of this point will be 50 50, 24. This point will be having coordinates 50, 24. So the equation of this parabola will be x square equals to 4ay. The value of x is 50 square equals to 4 into a into y. Y is 24. First of all, keep in mind, whenever the question of parabola is given, we need to calculate the value of a. After putting this a, we will be getting the equation of parabola. Now, what is asked to us? I'm not solving completely. I've told you earlier also. Find the length of the supporting wire. Length of the supporting wire we need to calculate. 18 meter from the middle. This is 18 meter from the we need to calculate. One which you have to take care when you will calculate the length this much. You have to add 6 in that. Then only answer will be come. This mistake normally students use to make will makes it you won't be able to get the right answer. Keep in mind you have to add 6 in the length which you are calculating this, then only you will be getting the final answer. So this you have to solve. It is a good important question. Now next question number 4. An arch is in the form of semi-ellipse. Now it is in the form of half ellipse, semi-ellipse. I'm making half. If we are thinking about full, it will somewhat like this. So an arch is in the form of semi-ellipse. It is 8 meter wide and 2 meter high. 2 meter high and 8 meters wide. So this is 4. Now the equation of the ellipse will be x square upon a square. A is plus y square upon square 2. This is b equals to 1. The equation of the ellipse, it is x square upon a square plus y square upon b equals to 1. So putting that x square upon a 4, y square upon b is 2 equal to 1. So that if we are putting getting the equation of the ellipse. Now see first, find the height of the arch at 1.5 meter from one end. Now we need to calculate the height of the arch 1.5 meters from one end. They try to create some of the confusions in our minds so that we must be able to get something new. Piyush is studying. So this was 8 meter wide. So this is 4. This is 2. So equation of the ellipse was x square upon 4 square plus y square upon 2 square equal. Now this was 1.5, so this length will be 2.5. We need to calculate the point will be named 5y. X value is 2.5. Let us put 2.52 whole square upon 4 square plus y square upon 2 square equal. You have to calculate the value y. That will be height of the semi-ellipse at this point. Height will be this. Again, I'm telling you, this is a very good easy question. Now next, try to see this question also. Mainly, most of the questions which come in the examination are from miscellaneous exercise. So miscellaneous exercise, I'm trying to solve as many questions are possible. A rod of length 12 centimeter. There is a rod of length 12 centimeter moves with the end always touching the coordinate axis. It is always touching the coordinate axis. Determine the equation of the locus of the point on the rod, which is 3 centimeter from x-axis. Now see, it is a point we are taking 3 centimeters the x. This means this will be 9. This length 3, so this will be 9. Now see, we are supposing this point is coordinate x, y. This hits this length x and this will be y. I am supposing a thing, this is theta, so say be this theta. Now we are applying OA triangle. Once this, next time we will be moving in triangle this. So moving in triangle BRP, base hypotenuse. So base on and hypotenuse, base and hypotenuse, that is cos theta is equals to base on hypotenuse 9. Next time we are going in this triangle, means in triangle PQA. Now perpendicular and hypotenuse means sine theta is perpendicular on hypotenuse. Equation 1, equation 2. Squaring and adding. When square and add, it will be cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to x square upon 9 square plus y square upon 3 square. This becomes 1. So 1 is equals to x square upon 9 square plus y square upon 3 square. So when it is moving, the rod is moving, the shape formed will be ellipse. The curve formed is ellipse, and its equation will be x square upon 9 square plus y square upon 3 square equals to 1. This will be the equation of the ellipse. So I suppose now we are able to understand the condition that how to solve the specific question. It's really a wonderful question. Important also. Similar to this, one question is given, example number 19. So I suppose you all will be able to solve this question. Now rest of the questions you need to try by your own. We'll see your more doubts in the class, and then only we will be able to complete this chapter. So whether I'll send you one video of this or something, so that we must be able to complete the chapter as early as possible. So give more time, revise well. Good luck. We'll meet in the next class.